Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition sensor doesn't recognize your face properly. In such case, you're gonna have to set up a new face model for your device, and to do that, go to the list of all applications, then open Settings, and in Settings you have to go to Security and Privacy menu, open it, then go to Device Unlock, and then select Face. And if you have any face models enrolled on your phone, then first of all remove them by tapping the recycle bin icon, then clicking delete, then select add face. And before we proceed, use a dry towel to wipe the surface of your frontal camera in order to make sure that your device's camera, that you can see yourself clearly in your camera. For the same reason, I recommend adjusting the lights in your room. Once you do that, agree to the conditions, then click start and proceed by adding a new face model for your device. Move the head up, then move the head down, and at this way you will enable the face unlock on your phone. You can also select skip lock screen in order to for your device to unlock immediately once you scan your face. Then click done. Then let's go back to the settings, and in settings select system settings right here, then scroll down to software updates and just check if you have any system updates for your device. Click check for updates, make sure that you're connected to the internet in the meantime, and if you do have any updates, then of course take your time to download and install them on your device. Once you're done, you can restart your phone. To do that, just press power button and the volume up key at the same time, select restart and wait until your device is rebooted. And once you do this, we'll be able to check if the face recognition scanner works properly. Okay, and once your phone is restarted, first enter the PIN code to access your device, or password or lock screen pattern. Then wait for your device to start up, then lock your screen by pressing the lock button, and then try to unlock it using your face. As you can see, it worked for me the second time, and let's check it for the third one. And as you can see, it works perfectly every time. And I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, then please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.